Good day, everyone. I am Jiki Sir B. Pontevedra, and now we discuss the science classification, sometimes called taxonomy. So, why we classify? Basically, we classify so we can organize, and we need an organized system about biological to provide names or use of living things, so that we can do this in logical manners. So no matter who's speaking, they can communicate and they talking the same things and the same way. So the naming system, it comes from the Swedish botanist Carlos Linnaeus, who developed naming system to make it easier to communicate about the same organism with different names, and also to break down language barriers, worldwide names in Latin. So in binomial nomenclature, so this this system is binomial nomenclature system where every organism will have a two-part name by prefix for two nominal two terms, and nomenclature means name. So it's two-part name, and each organism will always be named by its genus, and genus terms will always be capitalized, and the second name part of the name species, and the and that always be in lower case. Now in binomial nomenclature terms or name the genus and species, name will always be italicized. However, if you are able to italicize, you would underline the genus and the species. Next. So genus is always capitalized, species is not. It is always italicized or underlined. So example, we have a lion, Felis leo or lion, and we have Felis domesticus, a house cat, and the third one is Acer rubrum, a red maple, and last Homo sapien, a wise man. So classification is called taxonomy. So in a fact, the level of division in organization are called taxons, and basically in a group, common organism or standard characteristic in certain, though they have the same ability that make them similar. And there are 7 taxons in the taxonomic systems we use. So we have a kingdom is the larger grouping, and we have phylum, class, order, family, and genus and species. So example we will example of a brown bear, we would be looking to kingdom and animalia because it has a spinal cord or central spinal area, and phylum or chordata because it has a hair, and class or mammalia, they made primarily, although bear is much omnivores of all things, and orders or orders, it belongs to the family Orsaid, which is bears like, and we have family and genus and species. So example is human. We have also human. Human also like the bear or animals belongings to kingdom Animalia because it is central colon, and we have phylon, and we have class. A class because having a hair and having memories glands to produce milk and so on. And we have And we have order or primates, which possess in the same order chimpanzee or orangutans. And we have a family. Family, we belong to the family Hominidia, and we belong the family genus Homo and species sapien. So we are Homo sapien, a wise man. So that's all for my discussion. Thank you for listening and watching.